Hi friends, hope you are doing great. When my last video has come out, I got a request from a really special person. Yeah, one more really special person. So I got the request of cooking butter chicken. So today I will gonna cook the butter chicken. By the way, I can cook butter chicken by 3 different ways. Today I will gonna cook butter chicken by most common way, and you can say it's kind of authentic way. So friends, right now I am in the kitchen. Everyone is sleeping, so let's cook. So the cooking of this butter chicken consists of two parts. First is cooking the chicken, and second is making a gravy. For cooking the chicken, I need to do marination. So let's do marination. For marination, first of all we need chicken. It's like, you can say, the 500 grams. You can use the boneless chicken, but right now I'm using the chicken with the bones. I will gonna put 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, some salt, lemon juice of 1 lemon. Mix it well. Now leave it for 30 minutes. The very first part of it, the marination, is completed. Now we need to cook the gravy. For gravy, what we need, I will gonna show you step by step. So I need one pan. In a pan, I need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now when the butter is hot, I will put 1 medium size chopped onion in it. When it is little bit cooked, I will gonna put ginger and garlic in it. Chopped ginger and garlic. A little bit ginger and 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. After 3 to 4 minutes, now I am putting 3 medium sized tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Now I will gonna put quarter teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, some salt, depends on your taste. Now in the same pan we will gonna take 2 more tablespoons of butter. When it will be hot, I will gonna put my marinated chicken in it. We need to cook it on medium flame. It needs some water. I was gonna cover the lid so chicken can be cooked well. In the meantime, when my chicken is cooking, I will gonna grind this matter in a blender. If it is giving you a little bit coarse texture, then you can pass through it a sieve. But I don't need it here. I have put some water in it. On the other hand, my chicken is cooked. Let's see. Mm, the butter smells really nice. It's cooked. Now I need to put my chicken in a bowl. Now we're gonna use the same pan to cook the gravy and finalize the butter chicken. Put one more tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna put my gravy in it. We need to cook it like for 3-4 minutes. As it is cooking, you need to put 1 inch of cinnamon stick in it, just for fragrance. Now I need to put my chicken in it. I will gonna cover it for a few minutes so the ingredients will be mixed well with the chicken. Voila! Now I will gonna put cream in it. It's like one ball, like one small ball. I can say 150 ml, 150 milliliter. This is the final step of butter chicken. The cream, thick cream in it. Your stove should be on medium flame. Voila! You can see the butter above the surface. It is ready to serve. Now I will gonna turn off the stove. You can put some cream for garnishing, and that will be very good. So friends, this is it. It's a bit complicated and hard to cook, but must try it and tell me in the comments if you like it. Be happy and make other people happy. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.